wait for Mr. Harris, who should be present via Zoom.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
Wait. You stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just driving. And he didn't have a license.
Is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Look at the judge.
Oh.
Look at him. Oh my God.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Harris, who should be present via Zoom.
Oh my God. Guys, you cannot make this up. Look at this guy. Like, you cannot be this stupid. How in the world? You know good and well that you were being charged with driving, having a suspended license and driving. So why in the world? How did you think that was going to turn out? How did you think it was going to turn out for you to just literally just sit there and just be driving openly? Just no thought into it. No thought into it. Just blatantly. You don't care. You don't even care. Look at it. And the judge is flabbergasted. The judge doesn't understand what's going on.
Well, license suspended.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just driving. And he didn't have a license.
Look at him.
Is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at his record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant.
You sitting over here, you going around, you thinking, look at him. Oh my God.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate.
He has the nerve to say, oh my God, like he's getting done wrong. Like, come on, bro. And look, I get it. Look, people got stuff to do. If you're going to drive dirty, at least have the common decency to try to just have some tact about it. Don't be obvious about it. Now look at you. You had the balls in order to basically just say, F what y'all talking about. And guess what? Now I'm going to do what I want to do anyway. I'm going to do whatever I want to do. And now guess what? You had to turn yourself into jail. That's crazy to me. This is what I mean when I say people, like, you cannot make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up. Look at him. And he was just so confident and just blazing. And then you could just tell the whole life just left from his face. Like, Like, no, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is insane. What made you think that this is the way that was going to go your way? Like, I don't understand. This is the problem with Black culture in particular. Like, you people, like, just don't understand. And then you want to blame this stuff. Well, you can't blame racism on here because it's a Black judge too. It's just your stupidity. Then you want to talk about the system is against you. No, your intellect is against you. Your common sense is against you. Sir, you're fighting a war with yourself. That's the truth of the matter. You're fighting a war with yourself. So you can't be mad at nobody. Don't call on God. Don't be mad. Don't throw no fit. Don't look like that. Close your jaw. You know what I mean? You are fighting a war with yourself, bro. You sent yourself to jail. And that's the truth of the matter. This is just pathetic. What an idiot. What an idiot. How stupid can you be? How stupid can you be? Like, honestly, what in the world made you think that you getting the luxury of a virtual hearing and you think that you can get in the car and drive somewhere, tell them what you're doing, when what you're doing is making something. Basically, you're making a situation. You spitting in these people's faces. You thought that you could get away with it, and you, even though what you're there for is driving with a suspended license. So even with a suspended license, you're just gonna get in their face and you're just gonna tell them, you know what, screw what y'all talking about. I'm gonna do what I want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. And that's the problem with black culture. Look at it. This judge is flabbergasted. Look the look on his face. He can't even believe it. He can't even believe it. But that's black people. Look at him. You wondering the same thing we are, sir. Not a fool sitting in jail. Look at him. What an idiot. What an idiot, man. What's wrong with people? Oh my goodness gracious. What is wrong with people, man? It's hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. It's sad, but it's so funny. It's so funny. Because what kind of idiot would do something like this? How did you think it was? Look at him.
You stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
Look at that energy.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just driving. And he didn't have a license.
Like, in this idiot, he couldn't even, you didn't even have the common sense to at least try to pretend, get to where you going first, and then, at least pretend like you the passenger, or just, do something. Like, use your mind, man. I swear, black people can sit up and think all these conspiracies. They can talk about the Illuminati. They can talk about systemic racism. They can talk about oppression. But guess what? They can't do something as common sense, just to not be stupid. This right here is stupid. And I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying, bro, you can't be mad at nobody but yourself. You fighting a war with ignorance. Ignorance is your enemy. That's the truth. That's the truth, man. This is, look at this. Ignorance is your enemy, buddy. I'm just saying. That's the truth of the matter, man. And a lot of people share this problem. A lot of people share this problem. Their problem is not the world. Their problem is not that they can't stay out of situations. They fighting a war with themselves. They fighting a war with their own ignorance. This is pathetic. This is pathetic.